Today we will start our business mathematics and statistic part 1. Most of students already learn business statistic in 12th commerce and 11th commerce. So today we will start business mathematics and statistic part 1, BCom semester 5. Business mathematics and statistics. Our syllabus is divided into two parts. First one is internal and external. As shown in PPT, external exam conducted by university. This is 70 marks paper. And second one, internal mark, that is given by the faculty member. Total our paper is 100 marks. This is the pattern of university examination. Your paper is divided into four questions. First question is from linear correlation. This question weighted 15 marks. Second question is from linear regression. This question weighted is 15 marks. Third is probability. Weighted of probability is 10 marks, and last one, probability distribution part 1. Weighted of this is 10 marks. Total 70 marks. Here is the syllabus is given to you. I am also sharing with you in PDF format. BCom semester Sem 5. Just overview the entire syllabus. Linear correlation. In this chapter we will learn definition, meaning, types of correlation, properties of correlation coefficient. These are the theories. Now practical part, methods of correlation. There are three methods in our syllabus. First one is scatter diagram method. Second one is Karl-Pearson methods, and last one is Spearman's correlation method, that is rank correlation. Probable error of coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation from bivariate table, frequency distribution, and their example. This is our first chapter. Now second chapter, linear regression. Meaning and definition of regression, properties of regression coefficient and related relation between correlation and regression coefficient, two lines of regression, regression coefficient from bivariate frequency, and their example. This is second chapter, linear regression. Now third one, probability, Sambhavana. Already you learn in your 11 and 12. In this chapter we will learn concept of probability, mathematical and statistical definition of probability, definition of different term, that is random, experiment, sample space, types of events, etc. Other than, we will learn practical part of it, that is additional theorem, Sambhavana no Sarvadana niyam. You already learn in your 12th. Conditional law, multiplication theorem from two variables with proof, and their example. Last one, probability distribution part 1. Part 2 is in our second sem, that is your 6th sem. In part 1 we will learn concept of discrete random variable and continuous variable and its probability distribution. Mathematical expectation of discrete random variable, their mean and variance, and their property and application of binomial without proof. In first part there are two chapters consist. There first one is mathematical expectation, second one is binomial probability distribution. In next sem we will learn in probability normal distribution and Poisson distribution. So this is your entire syllabus. Total as I told earlier that your total paper is 70 marks. Out of this 4 chapter, university examination, the paper of business statistics is 70 marks. Okay, thank you.